The Eva Cafe in Anjuna is like a slice of Greece in Goa. It's located right on Anjuna beach with perfect views of the waves, the sun, and the sand. This place is like a small, cozy seaside cafe with perfect beach, bohemian decor, and sunset truly turns this place into golden hour. It's a small place, so it does get crowded pretty easily, so make sure you call and book your table before you're there. I think nothing beats good cocktails and good music at a beach, and these guys serve some lovely food too. And the best part is that this cafe is supposed to be barefoot, no footwear allowed in the cafe. So it's literally you walking in and around the sand. Like I said, sunset turns this place to gold and you can literally see it shine. And I think that is the best time to head out to the beach. And isn't that the best part of Goa? That you are never away from a beach. Eva Cafe is the cutest little cafe by the sea, with a view of the beach, a buzzy ambience, lovely music, very chill music, ocean vibes, and Goan memories.